Now we got these regular ground blooms and these jumbo ground blooms. We're gonna try it with the dog and girly girl here. Now the regular ones have no brand and the jumbo ones are by Shogun. We're gonna try one of the regular no brand ones first. See what it does. Pretty good. All right, here goes the jumbo. So we couldn't tell really the difference between the jumbo and the not jumbo. Let's see. I mean, the jumbo is on the left. The last color is just regular flame. It's not really like a color. They say 3 colors, but it's red, green, and then just flame.